Okay.
Shafkat,
Yes,
I
sir.
expected homework from you.
Okay, I think I got.
So
So which
your
one, the practical one or
yeah,
the?
practical one, practical one. Look, you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
So this one is the practical Saad submitted. Huh? This one, convection, the one we did on convection, that one. Okay, this one is submitted. Mohammad Saad,
Yes, sir.
you also, when you are submitting next time, you submit the class date. Huh? The day the
Oh, sorry,
class,
sir.
the day the class was held, and also the file attached there. It's written about the question paper. Huh? This is question paper of October November 2019. Yeah, 2018. Question one. Okay. Uh, Paper 4, variant 1. So this one, how you'll understand, if you go through the Google Classroom, you can see this one. Here, now you are in Google Classroom, right? You can see it.
Yes, sir.
So if you go to the attached file, you will find that the year, paper, variant, everything is written there. This one, huh? You see,
Yes, sir.
this is winter 18. That means October, November 18. Paper 4, variant 1. And from this, I gave you question 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So this one was your homework. Adnan Rahim is coming. Yes, question 1. Today we will do question 3 from here. Okay? It's related to density. We did another question on density, but that one we got some ideas. The one we are getting here different way. Okay, we are learning something new from here, inshallah. So this one, though it's on density, but you have something new here related to practicals. That's why I brought this question here for your practical class. Hello, Adnan Rahim.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for joining.
Sir, you're welcome, sir.
Yeah, how was your lunch?
Sir, good, sir.
Yeah, did you take lunch?
Yes, sir. Sir, 2 minutes ago, sir.
Okay, yeah, I understood that you are taking lunch.
Then you must be more energetic
You
than me.
are a sportsman, right? That's why you have to
Yes, sir.
maintain time for taking lunch, breakfast, and you have to take healthy food. Did
Yes,
you
sir.
start practicing? Did you start practicing?
Yes, sir. In my house, sir. In the rooftop.
Okay, so you are playing with Saad, or you are inviting some other players
No, sir. I'm playing alone.
alone. You should invite them, Shafqat, Saad. They can also play with you.
But we cannot come.
Okay, you are far away.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the
Mogbazar
Safka
and
is very far away, sir.
So you can play
Simran.
online. You can play online, right?
Maybe so.
In
Yes,
Zoom
sir. But
class.
sir, that will not help in our part.
Yes, yes. Online is not, enjoyable, right? You need
It's
live
enjoyable,
class.
but
So what about your club? Adnan Rahim, it's still closed?
No, sir, it's open, but I cannot go there, sir.
Okay. You are so busy with your studies.
Sir, that also, and mom is not letting me go there, sir.
You are
My
only
parents.
you are only one son.
No, sir,
no,
I have
sir.
one other brother.
Okay.
বোন আছে স্যার দুইটা
Okay, fine.
Yes, I have also two
Look,
sisters.
what we are discussing, this one is Saad's work, homework, on lab. Last week's labs class, he submitted on the same day we had class. Look, the date was 9, huh? On 9th we had class and on 9th he submitted. And you see Kazi Jawad also. Kazi Jawad, he also submitted the homework. He submitted the previous one. Here you see, this is on density. You can remember this one, right?
yes sir
And here we got the second one, but his writing is, you see, he wrote here the first question, and other parts are available here in the horizontal form, right? Yeah. So this one, at least he submitted some works, right? And if he were present, I could show him this all things. He only submitted the first answer of the second practical. That one he might give later. Now, other than these two, I expected also from you, Adnan Rahim and Shafkat. Yeah, yeah. You should. I expected from you that you will submit the homework. So when you will submit, Adnan Rahim and Shafkat?
tomorrow sir because today I have to study chemistry as tomorrow is the exam.
Okay, so you submit, huh? Tomorrow
Okay,
you
sorry.
submit. Inshallah.
Yes, sir,
Thank you.
inshallah.
Thanks in advance, huh? Now,
Welcome.
now we are going to our work. The one we are doing. Question number 3 from the same paper, huh? Adnan Rahim, you read.
Okay, sir. A student is given a quantity of liquid in a beaker and asked to determine the density of the liquid. Density is found using the equation. Density equals to mass divided by volume. He pours the liquid into a measuring cylinder. Figure 3.1 shows the measuring cylinder after the liquid is added.
So, what is the reading over there?
Sir, I think 78.
What about others?
Yes, sir. It is 78
Sir, it has the meniscus.
because of the lower meniscus.
So, Shafkat,
Yes sir.
what's your reading?
Yes sir. 78.
78. Okay. Then we are going to next part. Yeah, continue, Adnan.
Okay, sir. On figure 3.1, mark the position of the student's eye when he is reading the measuring cylinder. So, what do they mean by eye? Like, from where should they be looking?
Yes.
Okay.
For taking this reading, as one you are saying 78. So where should the student keep his eye?
On lower meniscus, no sir.
Mm-hmm. And how you will show the eye?
Oh, sir, we have to draw it.
Yes, mark the position of the student's eye. You can mark this way.
Sir, this is question number 3, right?
Yes, question number 3. So this is the position of your eye, right? Now you can draw one eye. You can draw one eye here. Uh, you can draw nicely, better than me, right?
No sir,
Okay.
I'm very poor at drawing.
Okay. So this one, for example, it is eye. Huh? So here we are labeling as eye level. Huh? Eye. So it is student's eye. Yeah. We are giving one arrow here. It's student's eye. Okay. So how we are drawing the eye? It is perpendicular to the measuring cylinder. Yeah. And at the levels of lower meniscus, the one Shapka said. Okay, it is water. So water has lower meniscus and upper meniscus when it is in touch with the glass, and lower meniscus is covering the most of the part of the liquid. That's why we will take lower meniscus. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, now we'll continue next part. So you should draw it, huh? Draw and label the position of eye. Next. Yeah, Adnan, continue. Next part.
Yes, sir. Number 2, explain why this position of the eye reduces error when taking the reading.
Okay.
Sir, because it is parallel to the meniscus.
Yes, and it is parallel to the meniscus from the diagram we understand. Now the question is why we need to keep it parallel?
To get
Um,
more accurate result.
Yes,
Reading.
yes. To give more accurate reading, and we can add another thing, that is to avoid parallax error. To avoid Do you understand what is called parallax error?
No sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I will let you understand. First, you write this point. On your paper, you should write this: to avoid parallax error. Parallax error. So when we are looking from other positions, the one you said, other than this position, uh, what will happen due to the refraction of light? Uh, Due to the refraction of light, through the if your eyes below this level, then there will be refraction of glass and water together, huh? And for this reason you will not see accurate position of this water level, lower meniscus level. Maybe you will see it some points above 78. Okay, it will seem to you because of this, refraction of light. It will work like a glass in your eyes. Do you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
And if you look from up, then you will see maybe it is some points below 78. So it will also give some error, right? And these kinds of error are said parallax error. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The position you are getting wrongly because of the uh, refraction of light due to the unparalleled position with the level of the liquid, that is called parallax error. Okay.
Sir, can you explain
Now
what is
state the again, please. Anything else?
sir, can you explain briefly in short one time?
What
One more time.
parallax error?
Yes, sir.
The definition.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, the definition is the error we are getting in the reading of liquid level
Yes.
uh, for unparalleled position of the eye level. Okay, it is the shortest definition. If
Can
it
you
is
repeat again, sir?
the error in the liquid level reading we are getting due to the unparalleled position of the eye level. So is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, now continue. Mohammad Saad.
Yes, sir. Yeah. The question number three. State the volume of liquid in the measuring cylinder.
78.
Centimeter cube.
Yes.
Yes, you have to write the unit as well. 78 centimeter cube. Please note down it. In your
Yes.
copy, you note down it. Now we are going to part B. Yeah.
Sir,
Mohammed-
can you show me the measuring cylinder once?
Sure.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Hmm. Okay. Now B, part B, continue. Mohammad Saad, you will read,
Yes,
but
sir.
the answer will be given by Adnan Rahim.
Okay, sir.
I think the
B.
answer is
State the name of another piece of apparatus the student needs to in order to find the density of the liquid.
Sir, pipette.
Hat.
Hmm.
Pago.
sir.
P.
Yeah. Adnan Rahim, you give the answer.
Okay.
Sir, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna give a random guess, sir. Beaker. Oh no, wait. Beaker to ase. Sorry.
Ere pagole.
Wait, let him
Sir,
try.
I don't know.
Let him try.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
You are going to
Or
find
maybe I
density,
don't know.
right?
Yes, sir.
What you are going to find?
Sir, density.
So, how you are finding the density? What is the formula of density?
Sir, mass by volume.
Okay, so already you got volume.
Yes, sir.
What is left?
Sir, mass.
So, which instrument you need to measure the mass?
Sir, I forgot the name, sir. Sir, with the one you use to measure your weight or something like that. I
Balance.
think.
Balance.
Yeah,
Balance.
balance. Yes.
Electron.
So, Adnan Rahim, why
Yes,
we
sir.
took this time? Why we were asking you to get the answer? I know that Saad could answer, or Shafkat could answer this question easily, but still, I am trying to get the answer from you. And though I know that I might spend there 2 minutes or very close to 2 minutes to get the answer from you. However, I spent it. Why? So that
Sir,
you learn the steps, or so
yes,
that
sir.
you can get how to analyze the questions, and by analyzing question how to reach your target answer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, very good. Now the same way you will read B2, and same way you will analyze, think, and try to get answer of B2. Read the question and try it. Okay,
So
try
number
it.
two,
Yes, B2.
explain how he uses this apparatus in this experiment. Sir.
Yeah, which apparatus?
Sir, the balance meter,
Very good,
I
very good.
think.
This is the first thing you have to understand. Balance.
Yes, sir.
They are talking about balance. Now, how you will use this apparatus to get the mass? You are going to get the mass of liquid, right? So I am showing you the diagram. Now you make a plan or make your
Like
steps. How everyone you think, and you also get ready to tell your answer.
I'm ready to answer.
To tell your
first
answer,
I
you get ready, but don't say the answer now. Only Adnan
okay.
Rahim will say first. Then if he can't, then we will go to you. Just make the steps. If you are done, then you raise your hand and then take part with permission. Eh?
Adnan Rahim.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you got it.
Sir, I was muted, sir. I said the answer, but I was muted. So, sir, as I
Okay.
was saying, sir,
Yes.
sir, first we will measure the measuring cylinder's weight. Then
Yes.
we will pour we will pour the liquid into the measuring cylinder. Then if the reading that we get, we will minus it with the measuring cylinder's weight.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. You are very close. Your 95% is okay. But
Sure.
here we have to deal with this context. Already the liquid is given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your first mass you will measure with liquid, the measuring cylinder with liquid. Okay. That one will be first. So here we are writing that one as M, right?
Yes, sir.
M1. So after that, what you will do, you will replace this water. You will pour this water to beaker. Okay. You will
Okay, sir.
pour this water to beaker. That's why the beaker is given. And if you are pouring this water to beaker, it's only the measuring cylinder, the empty measuring cylinder. That is M2, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you subtract, then you are getting M1 minus M1 minus M2. That one is giving you the mass of the liquid.
Liquid.
Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So these three steps you will write over there. Okay.
Sir.
First, you will measure the mass of measuring cylinder with liquid. Then without liquid, you will measure by pouring this water to beaker. That is M2. You will also write there. This is M1. This is M2. Huh? Then you finally write that we subtract M2 from M1 to get the mass of the liquid. So clear how to write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now that place you can write, I think. If you can write, then we can go to next part of the question.
Sir, can
See,
you, sir, first we'll measure or weight the measuring cylinder?
First,
no,
water
you
to
will take the mass of measuring cylinder with liquid. Is it clear, Mohammad Saad?
Yes, sir.
Because the liquid is already given in the measuring cylinder, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that will be our M1. And then we will pour the water to beaker. Then we will pour the water to beaker. We will pour the water to beaker to get empty measuring cylinder, right?
Yes, sir.
To get the empty measuring cylinder, that one is M2. So M1 minus M2 is giving you the mass of the liquid. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then now the last part, C.
Yes,
You
sir.
continue, Sad. Last part.
The student's eye is
You
at the
will
correct position
read the
when
question and Shafkat will give the answer. Okay,
the
Shafkat,
student's
get
eye
ready.
is at the correct position when taking the reading. He calculates the density from his results. His teacher says that the value he obtained is different from the actual value. Suggest reasons for this.
let me read the question I have in now. The students are.
Okay, tell me the answer.
Sir, I think we have to take the average. Then it will come appropriate. Like if we take more 2 times then divide by 3, like that, sir.
Average.
To get appropriate or the actual value, I think we have need to take the average. Otherwise, it will not come in accurate value.
Okay, that's one idea. The student's eye is at the correct position when taking the reading. So they are saying that you kept the eye in the correct level. So you are not getting any error from parallax error. So why you are taking the average? Is there any other things?
Sir, I think then the
Okay.
water, when we pour the water in the beaker, then the mass changes or something like that.
Yeah. So from where the change of mass comes, like
From when we
you are taking this liquid here, right? So
yes
there
to the
might be some water sticking
yes
on the wall of the measuring cylinder,
yes sir,
which
that
will
is right.
not give you the accurate measurements, right?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. And any other?
Awesome.
So this is your homework. Okay, you have to work on it. You whatever I told you, that is one option, and you try to find more other options that from where this inaccuracy might come. Okay, so you think of that one. Can you get it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one thing I need to add. Maybe you don't have that idea before. Maybe you have, or maybe you don't have. That is zero error. There is another thing that is called zero error. Zero error means you did not give anything on the balance. Okay, you did not give the measuring cylinder, or you did not give the measuring cylinder with liquid. Nothing you gave. However, when you turn on the balance, you will see some reading is coming from there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you did not give anything, but still you have some reading. Maybe it is 0.05
1,
grams.
2.
Yeah, maybe it is
I think
0.05 grams. Okay, but
they.
there is some values.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these kinds of reading coming before starting your work, that's called zero error. Okay, we have zero errors in in skills. We have zero error in some of the skills. It's showing zero, but
After the result, we have to subtract with what we have get from the initial
yeah.
value.
So that one we should mention here, that if there is any zero error in the balance, then we should subtract it or add it, right? Like
Yes, sir.
if the is balance is giving you minus reading, okay, that one you have to add, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Sir, then what are the reasons, sir? How many reasons are for C, sir?
Here it is said one.
you
Huh, sir?
again please.
Sir, total how many reasons for C, sir?
Okay,
Reasons.
I want only one.
But
The,
sir, I want to know, sir, how many, sir, actually are there? I
there
know that you want
there
to.
might be 4 or 5 reasons.
Sir,
Okay,
one is
so
for zero error.
yeah,
Sir, and then another one is for like Safka told. Which one, sir?
yeah, mass one. Yeah, so
Sir,
you find some others. That's
yes,
your
sir.
homework.
So the mass one is the one which like when he put the liquid in the beaker, some of the like water particles were
Next,
stuck on the walls of the measuring cylinder. That's why there was an error in the.
Yes. Yeah, so we have to be careful during that time. We should wait for a while so that all the waters are coming in the beaker.
sir, the
Yes.
class time is over, sir.
Yeah, class time is over, and thank you so much for joining in the class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, hope
Sir, sir,
yes,
which worksheet is this one, sir? From which question paper, sir? Can you just show me one?
yeah, the same one. You can see it in the
Sir,
screen.
what
It's
is the name,
shown
sir? Sir,
November
oh
2018,
here,
paper 4, variant 1.
October.
The same paper, the previous one. I will upload. Even today I will upload. Don't worry. Huh? Question number 3. It's available in the classroom. However, I will upload it again. Okay?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
can we leave now?
Yes. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Bye bye, sir.
Love,
Allah
sir.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.